Experiencing issues with your Xumo Stream Box? Let's address the most common problems: account authentication, app malfunctions, and network connectivity. For account issues, ensure your Xfinity ID is correct and two-factor authentication is enabled. Reset your password via the Xfinity app if needed, and ensure your Xumo is correctly linked to your Xfinity account, potentially using the mobile app's QR code scan feature. If apps are freezing or failing, update them through the Xumo interface and clear the app cache in settings. For network problems, aim for a stable Wi-Fi connection, preferably 5 GHz, or use an Ethernet cable. Test your internet speed, minimum 25 Mbit via Xumo's diagnostics. Power cycling the box, unplug for 30 seconds, is a good first step, followed by a factory reset if problems persist. If basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve your Xumo Stream Box issues, consider these advanced steps. First, check for Xfinity service outages in your area via the Xfinity status page. For persistent network issues, examine your router settings for port forwarding and disable any VPNs that might interfere. Outdated Xumo hardware from pre-2024 models may face compatibility issues. Consider upgrading to the Xumo Stream Box Pro for improved performance. If you encounter error codes, consult the Xfinity support website for specific solutions. As a last resort, contact Xfinity support directly for personalized assistance, as complex issues may require their intervention. Remember, future updates promise AI-driven diagnostics, but for now, manual fixes are often necessary.